Morning. Hello. Hi. Thank you for the thumbs up. Hi. Ouch. Mm. Yeah. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hi. Good morning, Filipinas. Oh, yeah. Good morning. Wait. Oh. Wait lang. Wait lang. Hi. Oh my god. Wait. Bed PCD, like please. Rodrigo, you change your channel name. Like and subscribe. Hurry, I will come back to it later. Okay. Thank you for watching. Like, please. Thank you for the likes. Good morning, beautiful Cheryl. Good morning, Chester Hexon. Good morning. I, I found love. Thank you for joining here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for. Thank you. Thank you so much. Pangarap ko ay ibigin ka at sa habang panahon ikaw ay makasama. Thank you for watching here. Ikaw na lang ang siyang kulang sa buhay kong ito. Yucks. My gulay. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you so much. Today have an like pagtitipon. Ano ba yun? Sa English yun. I just let the night go on. It's typical. Wanna be conventional, so I sing this song to out of my age. For all of the questions I gotta face. Thank you for the thumbs up. No. For all the questions I gotta face. Thank you for watching, everyone here. Oh my God. Thank you for watching. Dinami-rami ng aking lahat. Kung sino-sino at ilang lamang litigyan. Isa pa naman ang binabalikan. Bye! Antayin niyo yan! Thank you so much for watching. Salamat. Hi! Thank you for the 9 people here. Thank you so much. Nagkukulugan ulo ko pag ano. Hi! Hi, Doctor! Hi, Doctor! Hello, Doctor! Thank you for joining here. How are you? Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you so much. I'm okay today. That's great. Thank you for the thumbs up. How are you this morning? I'm good. Feeling well today. Feeling well this morning. I wake up late. Maybe because of the tiredness yesterday. I'm tired yesterday. I woke a lot. Boy. Good. I walk a lot. You have all the guys fighting over you again today. Hope nothing today. Hope I don't want to fight. I don't like argue, fighting, something like that. I want peace. You troublemaker. No, I'm not. Why you say that, Doc? Thank you for 16 people. Every time I get on your channel, the guys are fighting. Yeah, no fight. Just, I know, spread the love and good vibes. Good vibes are here, positive vibes. Bring positive vibes and friendship. And the pretty eyes, I know that you are mine. this world, believe it's true that my heart hurt every minute. My hand let me lead away. Hold you like me by your side. Tell to us apart. I think it's funny. Why funny? I will never was it's true, belongs to you. Make me believe you may be worth fighting over. I don't know. Oh, true life, I'll be by your side till death do us part. Well, I'm going to go now before I get messed up. Bet up. You gotta, okay. Thank you, Doc, for joining me here. And thank you so much. Hope you join me again in the next live. Thank you so much, Doc. God bless you. Yeah. My background is Hey Cheryl, nice to see you again. You're looking very attractive today. Thank you, John. Love Live Lives. Hello Cheryl. Hi, Love Live Lives. Thank you for joining. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Thank you, John, for joining me here again. Thank you, Circle Park. Thank you for the thumbs up. Your side that to us part. How are you today? I'm fine today. My pleasure. I like the live for you share. Ba yan? Thank you. Chicken banana. Oh my god. I just can't believe it's true that my heart will understand. You are the answer to my heart. Is that your breakfast? Yeah. Who, me? John. Is your John remember? I thought it's your John. It's you, John. Am I right? It's you, John. Why you change your channel name? Just user blah blah blah. I like your tippet matches. Tippet matches your short shirt. Ah yeah. Oh, thank you. Because my shorts, last night, I have a stain, having a stain. I haven't changed it. Ah, okay. Why is just like user like that? Well, thank you for joining me here, Johnny. Me comments while eating last night. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe something the system here channel, I don't know why this system is changed about the like I don't know. Thank you for the 18 people here. Thank you so much. Darling, I love you. You make everything to me. Ang tagal. You make everything to me. Prolong. It's hard to keep the color while cleaning the blueprints. Yeah. Yes, that's right. It's really difficult for me to speak like thank you, blah, blah, blah. I don't know how to do change it. Maybe you need to go to your emails and having the settings there have an option to change name. And you also need to put your pictures there, profile picture. We want to see you. We want to see you, John. Hola. Hola! Hi! Just Edson Conceição. Hi, Edson Conceição. Oh, wait. I always want to see. Cheryl is short Filipina. Yeah, I'm a short. I'm a small. I'm a small Filipina. I'm a small. That I will be a silly man. Oh, sorry. What means silly? Sorry. Can you? Oh my god. What means silly? Sorry, I don't know what is a. The music can turn Cheryl very seductive. Yeah. Oh my god. Stupid. ah, stupid. Oh my gosh. Now I know. Someone calling me silly. So he said I'm stupid. Oh my god. I don't know. I said thank you. Cheryl, silly Cheryl. I replied, thank you. Because I don't know. Oh my god. Sorry. Next signals. Thank you for joining me here. 18 people and 11 thumbs up. Wow. I have an 11 likes now. Thank you, everyone. Pasumpa, sumpa ka ba? Silly can be cute too. Ah, okay. 18 million people. 31 million people. Thank you so much for joining. Oh my God. Oh wait. It's Sergio Mendones 296. Hi Sergio. What means? Oh, I got 10, huh? What it means? The numbers keep going up. Yeah, keep going up. Thank you guys. Thank you for joining me here. BC Linda. BC Linda. Adora. Thank you. Pasumpas. I felt cold. I feel hot. Next stop is Philippine Hollywood and Bollywood because Cheryl is too beautiful for one market. Oh my god! Look hot. Thank you, John. John, thank you so much. Cheryl is hot Philippine. Thank you so much. Thanks. Oh my god. What do you want, guys? Ang landi. Thank you. You're very welcome at sumagot nga. At sumagot nga. At sumagot naman. Thank you, John. John, thank you. Here we go again with the seductive moves. Here we go again. Wow. Hi, Sergio. Thank you so much. Oh my god. More. Why more? I don't know how to. Thanks. Thank you. What do you want? You want more? Cheryl is a tease. You want more? What? Thank you for 11 thumbs up. Todo. Yes, please. What do you want? More is never enough. What do you want, huh? What do you want? I don't know how to do it now. Ang kulit. Pasumpa. Ay. Pasumpa ka ba? You too. You do too. Ala na. Oh my god, I feel hot. Like she knows she is doing it good. Well, oh my god. Landi. Ouch. Ouch. I'm hot. We're doing it. Ouch. Can you put me here on the lotion? I need it. I feel hot. Sa nilandi. please can you put me here on a lotion? Can Hot and Hollywood Philippines. Thank you. Oh my god. Oh, so hot. Feel hot. Oh my god. Cheryl knows so much. I know. What should I know? Come here now. Yes. I can now. I feel hot now. Hot weather here now. Can you bring me a fun? The hair flips to show that she is beautiful, yeah. I felt I'm beautiful, you know. This time. I feel beautiful. Oh my god. That you can never know too much. When it gets hot, Cheryl, it gets hot. Really? Thank you. Minahal mo ka. Kaya ka. Feeling na iba. Lagi pa. I'll remember that when you love me so. The sitting has begun. The question is, how long will it last? Oh my god. Thank you for joining. Thank you for watching, guys. I still remember. Don't you remember? Thank you for 27 people here, and I think might have to go and cool down. Yeah. Need to calm down. Oh, calm down. Thank you, 13 thumbs up. Thank you so much. Ay, ako. Kung liligaya ka sa akin because you make me hot. Really, John? I make it hot. What should I do? Cheryl, get hot. Don't tell people cool down. Con, it's your fault. Call John. I behave, you know. I am. You know you do. What should I do? Tell me, John. Ay, nako. Ayan tayo. Behave yourself. Later na. Guys, sana. Oh my god, I need to behave now. Guys, hi Tim. You want me to? Why you're no, not Tim, you're no. Thank you for joining me here. Don't listen her, babe. Oh my god. What do you want? Hmm? I make it hot. Cheryl knows I'm joking. Yeah, I know you're joking. I guess, I guess. Uh, 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 me too. Me too. I'm joking. Me too. I'm joking. I'm just a joke. I'm joking. I'm joking. Oh my god. Da-da-da. Nagkaroon. Ah, da-da, da-da-da, da-da, da-da, da-da. Sure, I can't tell if you're joking. Okay, fine. But I'm still hot. I feel like, oh my god, the sunny makes me feel hot. Always. Oh, without seeing. Blame music. Blame the music because I'm getting blame the music. So let's run. Oh my god. Blame the music, yes. Can you blame the music, not me? The wall is the luckiest object alive. It's good to touch. Yes, it's so lucky. Some other time. Hi. Blame the music. The music is the blame for Cheryl being hot. Hot, hit the like button thing. My situation. I love you. I love you. Hi, Goblin. I would share my love with you. Ah, yes. Oh, yeah. Uh-huh, uh-huh. I never wanted to be a wall more than. It's mattress. It's a mattress, yeah. The mattress is so liking because he's with me now. A little while. Thank you, my team. You want to join me, team? Situation. Bruno, Brazil, hi. Oh no, I lost the picture. Only have the sounds. You made me think it was a wall. It's not a wall. It's not a wall. It's a magic. At the same time, oh my God. Believe me, I would share my love with you. Believe me, I would share my love with you. With you. I would share my love with you. Come on, guys. I will share my love with you. Cheryl has had too much music. Bartender don't serve her anymore. Yeah. Need some wine. Please, can you give me a wine? Oh my God. Good night, my love, beautiful. Thank you so much. Naman talaga. 50 likes, she wears a bikini. Thank you for the thumbs up. Palayain ang 55 in the years. So, thank I think I need to wear a bikini because I'm getting hot. I feel hot, you know. Wow, weather here is so hot. Oh my God. Cheryl pushes her limit. I like. Hotma, can you bring me bikini now, please? Ang iyong Dawal, bumigay yung buwan. Hindi niya nakayanan ang aking kalambian. Dawal said, stop it, Cheryl. Stop it. Sorry, guys. I'm just joking. But I feel hot talaga. Darating mo ay dalawa. Living life on the weekly side now, sure. Where is that? Life on the weekly side. This is what happens when it's not a real wall. It falls on you. Yeah, it falls for me. My God. You call it a wall, I win. Wow, don't fall, please. Buang Philippines. Beautiful Buang. Kung ang kilos mo ay kung ang What the music is that? Oh, blame the music, please. Stand, show them. Thank you for the 82 people. Since remember, keep shining. No one else. For sure, that's when friends are for. And that's forever. That's when friends are. Sure, Stan. Where should I stand? Just says. Wait lang. Cute. That's what friends are for. That's true. Shit. Oh, it is a mattresses. Yeah, it's a mattress. Times. In that times I'll be yours forevermore. That's your prince of keep shining. Well, I have to trust you, boy. Yeah. James Jacob. Careful, don't get involved in singing and sad. Thank you, love, live life. You know, for guys, Cheryl, you are a great dancer. Thank you. Forevermore. Come on, guys. Hit the likes. The sitting shows for talent. Thank you for 15 people here now. Thank you so much. $56 billion people. Thank you, lovely life. Oh my god. Sing to me, beautiful. What song you like? What song you like? Ting a ling ding dong, a ding a ling ding dong. Ting a ling a ding dong, ding a ling a ling. That's what you want. The song. I know. Blame the music. Smiling Beauty. Where are you from? James Jacob. When Cheryl stands her dancing in beautifulness, reaches by 9,000. 9,000. Goodbye. Thank you for the 16 people here. Sorian 220. Hello, you are a speak beautiful Filipino Cheryl. Thank you. Thank you, love, live life. She is singing play with my figaling, but don't know the tune. Figaling. Tingling, aling a ding a dong, a tingling aling inside joke. Ding aling, ding aling, tingling aling 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 ding dong, ding aling 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 ding dong. Lul. Oh my god. Nelo. I feel weird. No, really, that's what she's saying. I never expect to hear Cheryl see that my mind is made. I need somebody who can love me at my worst. I want somebody who can love me at my worst. Somebody who loves Cheryl when she is her worst. I want somebody. Oh my god, I need to the beach. I'm going to the beach. Ouch. I need to beach to feel calm down. I need to calm down, you know. Cheryl is such a fun Filipina. Yeah, I'm funny, but I want sometimes serious, you know. You know what I mean? Ako rin. Oh my god, I need massage. I feel pain my body because of I walk a lot. I want some legs. I need legs. Who wants to this? I need massage. Hula hermosa saludos dos de Argentina this day. Hi, hola hola, Sampola. Yes, you need a vacation to the beach and put your little Filipino toes in lasagna. I need that. Good girl. Thank you. Jerry. Hi, Jerry. Thank you for joining here again. Once. Hola. Rajis. Hello. Cheryl wants a message. This live took a right. Well, my love from Jerry. Thank you, Jerry. Bujang Shitiga. Hi. Thank you for watching. 64 people here. Oh my god, I can't believe people, lots of joining here now. Thank you for the eating thumbs up. We love Cheryl. Thank you, lovely life. Thank you so much. Hi. I love you. Thank you. I need somebody who can love me. Well, everyone loves Cheryl. Thank you, Jerry. Mardok, good morning, Cheryl. Hindi ako maka-attend sa live mo. Nasa work ako. Sorry. It's okay. It's fine. Walang anuman. Okay lang. If I could, I would wear I love Cheryl shirt. Ah, thank you. You want to buy my shirt? It worth $1,000. That's very expensive. Like me. Sorry. Oh my god. I need a lot of money. $1,000, that highway robbery. Yeah. It looks like a scam. And so it's scam. I have a short shirt on now. That's why I need to keep this because it's expensive. No one can buy it. I'm just buying it because you wore it. Oh my god. You need to save more money. Love live lives. Jury bra doesn't count. It's like celebrity merchandise. Yeah. Yeah, it's like, and it's like a scam. Hi, hi, I'm seeing you here from Brazil, beautiful. Hi, Ricardo. Thank you, Ricardo. It will increase in value. Oh my god. Thank you for joining here. Thank you guys. Oh my god. My life is great now. Hope you join my live again here. What are you listening to? Me? Someone on the outside, the senior citizen have a payout for the pension for the seniors, the old people here. I need somebody who can love me out my words. Hello, can you join my live? I do love it. Ha? Ano? Ito ano man dito? Abo ko man dito? Ha? Abo ko man dito? Mga kunto karta? Hindi di may karta. Wala na kwarta na may wala. Pero magayon ang konta mo man siya dito sa may BGC. Sus kagayon. Siguro makato ko 1 week lang. Okay. Ano hindi di yung bakay? Tigwan ako kay magtol mata ko. Pag una ko black eyes. Yes, senior citizens here, the old people here. Thank you for joining me here. I felt amazing. Oh my god. 84. Cheryl will never get old. Yeah. Each time you work. What time you work? Ano? What time? Oh my god, I'm late again. I'm doing late again. Oh my god. You can get old in years, but you will always look beautiful. Thank you. You know what? I feel beautiful. I'm 40 years old. I feel young and beautiful. My mindset is getting old. I still feel young and beautiful. I feel like when I'm teenage, never feel old. My body is old, but I feel my feeling is still young. Yeah, just enjoy your life. No more stress. No need to feel stress. And yep. Accept and solve the problem. That's a life. You really are. You're young and energetic. At heart, you are fine, Cheryl. Thank you. Thank you, love, live life. I need somebody who can love me out my words. Toot 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 toot. Thank you for joining me here. Oh my god, I felt amazing. Oh my god. Okay, you got work. Bye bye. I need to go to work now. I'm late. Thank you for joining me here. Hope you join me again next live. Thank you so much. Thank you, love, live life. Jerry, thank you so much. John, thank you, John. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining me here. A lot. My team, thank you for always supporting me here. Thank you, guys. Bye bye, love. Bye bye. Love you all. Sorry, guys. Bye bye.